Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a deal in HubSpot. Now first of all, go to the home section of this website and make sure to log in with your account as well. And from here just choose this option called CRM, and once you're into the CRM, make sure to go to this section called deals. And once you open deals, it will take a few seconds to load and you will be seeing all the deals, like if you have any deals or if you already have created any. So from here what you need to do is just click on create a deal, this option, and they will basically set your pipeline, or I'll set it by myself. You can just click this option and let it load. It will take a few seconds, and as you can see, this is an option called deal, create deal. So deal name, enter the deal name. Let's say I write down the name EST, or just the test. After that you can just select the pipeline, which is a sales pipeline. If you have any other, you can just search it and write this down. And deal stage, which is basically appointment scheduled, qualified to buy, or any other, you can just select it, whatever your deal stage is, and you can just enter the amount. Let's say my amount is 10, so enter the amount. After that, close date, make sure to enter the close date as well. And deal owner, this is basically your name. You are the deal owner, and select the deal type. Either you are dealing with existing business or the new business. You can just select it and select the priority as well, which is a kind of a choice. You can just select it medium or low or high, and you can just select the company or any of those things, and from here you can just click on create. And once you click on create, your deal will be created. And now as you can see that I have created a deal in HubSpot. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.